Back around here, though, a new food truck made its debut this weekend, but it only serves canines. New at 11 tonight, News 13's Jack Bilyeu stopped by the Dog Days treat truck to see how a mother and daughter team from Florence is serving up snacks for dogs around the state.
It's blown up. Like, there's been so many dogs coming today. We have a lot of friends and family here that are supporting us, so we're really, really grateful.
The treat truck went to Charleston yesterday, then came to Eats on the Creek just in time for Halloween.
Pumpkin for the holidays.
Owners Samantha and Alex Jones sell dog treats and toys out of the truck.
We make Dogaritas, which is actually a margarita for dogs. We have ice cream. We're going to be doing puptinis, which is a martini for dogs.
Dogs and their owners lined up to try some of their treats, like their most popular item, a dog cannoli.
They're made out of all natural products. Even humans can sample them, even though we're not selling human food.
We got the dogs all. We got them a turkey for Thanksgiving coming up. We got them a pumpkin for Halloween.
Derek Lowe says his 3 corgis enjoyed their treats.
Yeah, it was a good opportunity to get the dogs out here and get us as a family out here too.
The Joneses say they hope to take the truck around the state. They say all their tips will go to the humane societies for the cities they visit.
We want the dogs to be the center focus. Dogs don't get enough attention.
Jack Bilyeu, News 13.